So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are complaining like when you are completing the code labs, when you are deploying your projects and testing the project locally. Okay, you are facing some issues like restriction means 404 not found, how to get it fixed and how to get your agent running, and so that you can just submit the code lab submissions because deadline is approaching very soon. So we'll cover this thing in detail. Also, I will share you a resource guide. From there, you can complete the code labs, project submissions, all the things, including the credits. So first of all, let's come directly to the problem. So I'm just opening. Okay, this is a part of, I think this is a part of track 2. Okay, so when you try to run ADK web, okay, so when you try to run, first of all, you have to just activate the virtual environment and do all the things. I hope you have done all the things. You're waiting for this particular part and we open this agent over here. Okay. So here you can see session ID is not generated, and if you type anything, you can see agent is not responding over here, right? I'm showing you the problem, then I'll show you the solution for it also. And you are getting this error, that is 403. Okay, 403 forbidden and 404 not found. So how to get it fixed? There is a simple solution. It's a very simple solution. First of all, press Ctrl C. You can see the session is aborted. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one code. Okay, you have to just see where code is listed over here. Okay, from there you can just copy this particular code or you can just type it. Let me just show you. So this is the code, that is adk web space double dash allow underscore origins equal to star. Okay, you have to just write it like this. Now just copy it and paste over here, hit enter. Now let's see whether the agent is working or we are getting any error. So you have to just open it like this. Make sure to close the session whenever you are just starting it, okay, so that you are not facing any issue over here. Now here you can see our agent is live. So if I just type hello guys, so it will mostly respond. You can see the session ID is also generated. Okay, and here you can see we have not got any error over here, and you can see we have got the output. So this is how you can get your agent set. Now coming over here, for the people who are completely new to this particular program and event, in the description box I have attached this master sheet. If you don't know about GenAI Academy APAC edition, how to participate in this particular program, I've covered everything in Hindi also and in English also. You can watch it. If you want credits, because most of you are saying that for building the project it's asking us to add the billing account, also create a billing account, means it's asking our payment details. So you can just create your projects free of cost. For that you can watch this video. And if you want to do the skills lab, which is completely optional, this skills lab on the skills boost platform, if you have participated in the arcade program, you must have used that platform too, so you can do it. But for being eligible for the swag certificates and some cool events, okay, means to participate in the cohort 1 hackathon also, you need to complete the code labs, quizzes, okay, code labs, quizzes, and one more thing, what is it, project submission. Then only you'll be eligible for the certificates, swags, and mostly the project, okay, hackathon project. So here we have covered everything in detail. So here I have covered everything from code labs, okay, from code labs to submission guide, how to do the skills boost submission, code lab submission, project submission. Also shared track 1 project, and track 2 project will be also live very soon. If you want for track 3, you can comment down below. So we have covered here in the live submission. I have covered the project video, okay. I have shown you how to deploy your project and just do the submission, including the PPT guide too. So you can watch it also. And one more important thing, for getting the swags, I'm repeating it again so that none of you miss this. So you have to complete the code labs, quiz, and the submission. Okay, project submission. So here when you log in to the dashboard, here you'll find the challenges. So here are the code labs. Okay. Here are the code labs and the problem statement. You can work on your own, and if you need the guide, we have already the guide over here. Also here is a quiz. One more important thing, you have to complete any one quiz, any one track. If you want to complete track 1, you have to complete only track 1. If you want to complete all the 3 tracks, you can complete it. There is no restriction. but for being eligible you have to complete any one track. I will mention it over here also so that no one is facing issue. So this was the quick update video. Most of you are facing issue, so that's why I thought to address this so that everyone complete the challenges smoothly. So thank you guys, have a great day. Do like the video and share the channel with everyone so that everyone can participate and learn more things over here. Thank you.